I'm Nina. I'm a postdoc at beamline B24 at Diamond Light Source, and I work in correlative imaging of X-ray microscopy of cells.
My name's also Nina. I'm an undergraduate placement student at B24, and I use X-ray microscopy to study the immune response to fungal infections.
What first attracted me to this area of research was the fact that I'd be working at the life sciences interface, and I already had a background in imaging. So working at a synchrotron was really amazing because there's only a few places in the world that have this type of microscope, so it's very exciting.
Yeah, and what first attracted me to this type of research is just the ability to see the structure of living things at a scale that's almost inconceivable to the human brain.
So my first day of work at Diamond was quite intense. There were so many new things to learn. I also was learning about cryo-fluorescence microscope, which I never used before, and then walking into the lab to see the X-ray microscope was really amazing. Somebody was imaging a cell live at that time. That was the first time I'd ever seen an X-ray of a cell being taken, so that was exciting.
Yeah, so I remember my first beam time, my first time using the X-ray microscope for my samples, and it was really exciting seeing your work for the first time, but also quite terrifying because suddenly the X-ray microscope is in your hands, you're controlling it, and it's very delicate, expensive equipment, and so scary but rewarding.
The best thing about working at a light source is just knowing that the experiments that you're going to do, hardly anybody else has access to this type of equipment, and also it might be the first time somebody's ever seen this, so that's something that's really nice.
Yeah, and some of the best things about working at light sources is just the variety of science and experiments that are going on around you. We work in a biological lab, but just next door there's chemistry and physics experiments and cultural heritage investigations and all sorts. It's the variety is endless. So I found working in a light source and in beamline B24 mainly really collaborative. Everyone's really willing to help. We're all kind of working towards the same thing, and there's no kind of sense of competition. It's all really supportive and collaborative.
Yeah, I really like working at B24. Everybody's so helpful, and it's just really nice having people who can all help you if you get stuck on anything, and you never feel like you're on your own, so it's really nice. What inspires me to do this research is mainly the fact that the results that we could find from this could have some real impacts on global health. For example, at the moment I'm helping with some research on the flu virus and understanding how it goes into cells and how it comes out of the cells, and knowing that the results that we can get from this could actually help to improve people's lives is quite inspiring.
Yeah, and what inspires me is that the work we do really goes into the development of our methods and our techniques, so that every little bit you do contributes to other people's work and other people's projects, as well as being able to see things for the first time that no one else has seen before. So when I'm not working, I'm enjoying exploring Oxford. It's been a lovely place to live while I'm working at Diamond. It's been beautiful.
Yeah, when I'm not working, I like to take pictures of nature and then paint them. I do some watercolour painting, so it's nice and relaxing. So the advice that I would give to my younger self before entering into this field is, don't worry if there's something that you don't really know about yet that's in a job description, for example, because it might sound quite intimidating just reading it if you've never done this before, but it's actually very nice to learn new things, and it's quite easy to pick up lots of new skills in science. So even if it's completely out of your field, don't worry, you'll still be able to pick it up quite easily.
Yeah, the advice I'd give to my younger self is embrace different disciplines. So even if it's not your main field of study, give it a go, because there's always people around to help as well. And that's the main thing. Make the most of the colleagues around you, because they have a wealth of expertise that so often they're happy to share.